Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be showing some autumn sown sweet pea or Duras high scent odd annual October to January indoors or March to April outdoors. Sowing instructions: soak seeds overnight in warm water before sowing, 1 centimetre, half an inch deep, 3 seeds per 7.5 centimetre 3-inch pot or into root trainers, 1-2 seeds per seed cell. In free draining damp seed compost, place in a propagator or seal container inside a polythene bag and place at 20-25 Celsius, 60 to 77 Fahrenheit. Until after germination, which normally takes 7 to 21 days. Do not exclude lights. Spring sowings can be sown outdoors. Blah, blah. Here we go. Over winter, October, sown planting in cooler conditions such as cold frame before planting out. So right, first of all, I've got my root trainer here. Just said something come on, that's just my heater. I shall turn it off. Sorry about this, folks. Is that off? Yep. Just want to get this like so. Just get it sorted. If it takes me weight, that's alright. Just get this like so. Yeah, they're really good, these root trainers, because sweet peas are what we call a nitrogen fixer. They actually fix nitrogen into the soil through the roots. So, here we go. Nearly there. Let's get a bit more compost. Right. As you can see, I've got them seeds there. Just put each one on top like so, and then just a little bit of compost just over the top like so, just in the light covering. Yeah, I really do enjoy growing sweet peas, but last year I had a mice problem, and every time they got to within a couple of inches, I swear they were farming them. They just used to wait till they got to a couple of inches tall and then they'd eat them. Must have really enjoyed them. And then they'd wait till they got another couple of inches, then eat them again. So this time, unfortunately, I'm going to let the cat come in here, and hopefully just the scent of the cat will keep the mice away. So yeah, all I'm doing with these now is give them a water, put them in my little heated propagators that I built from scratch at 20 to 25 Celsius. As soon as they start coming through, I shall take them out, nip out the tops, and put them somewhere cooler, just so they stop bolting. If you've got any questions regarding sweet peas, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, everybody, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Stay safe. Bye.